Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So this is day 2, look 2 with the Huda Nude Light Obsessions. I'm really looking forward to it. I think I know what I'm going to be doing today. The problem is with this palette, all the looks kind of look the same in my opinion anyway, but I think today, I'm going to go in with this shimmer. And I'm not going to put this cream ivory shade down just because I want to see how much more pigmented we can get it. I've got the eye base from NYX down, so I'm just going to blend that out a bit so the eyeshadows don't crease. I think I'm going to start with this peach shade again. I've used that in another look when I was testing the W7 against the Huda Nude. So I think we're going to do that again. So I'm just going to pop some of that on as a light transition shade. Right, that's better, so you can see what I'm doing. It's nothing revolutionary, it's just a simple eyeshadow palette, so there's nothing really that you can do with this. I like it because it's everyday and you can get a look really quick with it. Right, and then I'm going to go in with the lavender shade there. In my opinion, this shade definitely makes this palette. Absolutely love it. But I wouldn't say any of these mattes are really pigmented. You do have to go in a few times and build the colour up, which is no big deal. It's actually quite good, you can't really go overboard. I think that's the pigmentation I want. Let's blend them out a little bit. You always go overboard on my left eye. I think I'm going to put the brown, the really dark brown, in the outer V. And I'll probably run that through the lash line as well. And I'm just going to blend that out. And then we're going to go in with this shade here at the bottom, like I said earlier. It's just a really simple look. And I'll be spritzing the brush in a minute. I think these shades could be a little bit more pigmented, if I'm being honest, compared to the Huda Mercury palette. The shades in there are so much better. I mean, let me know your opinions on it, of course, and your thoughts. But I personally think the good shimmers, but they could be more pigmented, but I really do like a really pigmented eyeshadow, so probably just me. that feels this way. Hope I'm not getting a cold. I've been really suffering the last day or two. I hope it's not a cold coming on. The only thing is, the lavender on camera that I put on is actually picking up more on camera. Sorry, the lavender on me, not on camera. It's picking up more on camera than it is in the mirror that I'm using. I might go in with a bit more. That's looking nice now. On the eyelid, it's looking nice. Maybe if I go in with this Primark blending brush into that lavender shade, because it's a more densely packed brush, maybe it will look a bit better. And I don't know what to use for inner corner highlight. Yeah, we'll leave it there. Right, so now let's go into the lash line. Just need a brush. Right, so I'm just going to use this smoky eye brush. Normally I just use that for the inner corner. So we're just going into that brown. Right, and then I need to find something for the inner corner. I think I'm just going to go in with this purple shade here because we've already used this in yesterday's look, that one. So let's go in with the purple. Right, I'm going to zoom out now and sort this tripod out. Okay, so now we're going to go in with my black eyeliner. I've not used this in a hot second to tight line with. It's just the Too Faced Love one. It's getting ready to actually go. There's not much left on it, which is good. Then we can bring another one in. I want to get rid of all my black eyeliners because I don't wear black eyeliners anymore, and I've got quite a few in the collection from when I did. I want them gone. I do just prefer brown eyeliner these days, and you don't even have to get brown eyeliner. You can just do what I've done here, and this looks just as good. I do like coloured eyeliners though, I think they're fun. I just don't have that many in the collection. Right, and then mascara time. I don't know what lipstick I'm going to wear yet. Haven't thought that far ahead. This is the Makeup Gallery one by Poundland. Still going strong. I've just put a testing Poundland video up, so I will link it just in case you haven't seen it yet. I always think when I'm doing an eye look, I always think what a difference mascara makes. I mean, look at that eye compared to that eye. This eye looks like the plain Jane of my face compared to this side arm. So we better sort her out. I think for me, I just couldn't get by without mascara, because it actually makes a look. When I'm not wearing eyeshadow, I don't care about putting mascara on, but the only time I'm not wearing eyeshadow is when I've got a bare face. I really struggled when I had the eye infection not to put eyeshadow on. It's just the way I am, you know. I like eyeshadow. I mean, a lot of people just do the wing eyeliner, don't they? And you know, I just wing eyeliner doesn't actually suit me anyway, because I've got hooded eyes and I just love eyeshadow so much. I think that looks really pretty and feminine. I'm just gonna get a lipstick and I'll be back in a second. Right, so because I put lavender on the crease, I thought about using this one. I hope it's gonna look okay. It's the Makeup Revolution Pro. It's in the shade, I think it's Seclusion. Yeah, Seclusion. So let's pop some of this on. It's just a really pretty shade, and we'll go with that lavender which is on the crease. I think it's a demi matte. Yeah, I really like that. That is so pretty. And it goes really nice with that look. So guys, this is day 2, look 2. You can honestly say that I'm doing 4 looks with this palette this week, because I did the... Let's start again. I did the first look with the W7 versus Huda Light Obsessions, but I only did one eye. And then we're doing these 3 days, 3 looks. So you're going to get a look pretty similar to what I used in the W7 versus Huda that I did the first time I used the palette. But yeah, I'll try and switch it up, but they're the only shades that will be left at the end. But this is the look. I'm just gonna put this tripod up a little bit. This is the look that I've just created. Very girly and very feminine. In yesterday's video I was saying that I didn't know whether this Huda Light Obsessions was the palette for me, because it wasn't really showing up, but I just think that's the nature of the matte eyeshadows in the palette. Somebody put the medium and the deep obsessions on their channel, and I'm not interested in any of them. They're too dark, and I've got so many shades that are in that copper bronze family. I just don't need it. What sold this palette for me, I spoke about this in the comparison video that I did. What sold it to me is this shade here and this shade here. It is a bit crumbly, but it is such a beautiful shade on the eyes. I think when I use this in the third and final look, I think I'm going to try it with a glitter glue and see if it comes out any better. Hopefully it will. You can see that they're all crumbly. That purple's crumbly as well. This one isn't as crumbly that I used today, but there is a bit of fallout there. But yeah, that's my 2 penny worth for today. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a review at the end of the video. Sorry, I'm going to be doing a review at the end of day 3, look 3, and also I'll do the swatches. Even though you've seen them on my eye, you might want to see hand swatches as well. So yeah, this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you taking the time out of your day. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.